Hey y'all, we're here at Spartan Crossings in Saraland, Alabama. This is a pet-friendly community in a great location. Today, we'll be looking at a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. Let's go take a look.
Come on in. This unit features a spacious living room with gorgeous plank flooring. Right off the living space is the dining room and the fully equipped kitchen, which includes a pantry. Down the hall, you'll find a linen closet, the first spacious bedroom, and the primary bedroom, which features a large closet, a vanity area, and a full bathroom that connects back out into the hallway. Click the link below to book your tour today.